In today's video, I'm going to teach you MYLENS AI versus ChatGPT. By the end, you'll understand what each tool is built for, how they handle learning and content, what the day-to-day experience feels like, and how to choose the one that fits your goals. Let's start with the big picture. MYLENS AI is centered on visual learning. Think of it as a system that turns messy information into clean, AI-generated mind maps and structured knowledge. Its strength is organization. It helps you see how ideas connect at a glance. ChatGPT, on the other hand, is a conversational AI designed for writing, research, and a wide range of productivity tasks. It shines when you need flexible, back-and-forth guidance, explaining concepts, drafting content, or iterating on ideas. Both simplify information and improve efficiency. They just approach it differently. Your ideal choice depends on your learning style and workflow needs. When it comes to learning and content, MYLENS AI emphasizes visual summaries and structured knowledge mapping. If you process ideas best when you can literally see the structure, topics, subtopics, and links, this is a natural fit. It's designed to help you capture concepts and arrange them in a way your brain can scan quickly. ChatGPT supports detailed explanations, brainstorming sessions, and long-form content creation. It's suitable for writing, coding support, and business-related tasks, and it adapts well to different tones and formats. If you want to dive deep into reasoning, expand on notes, or generate full drafts, ChatGPT offers that breadth. Now, let's talk about ease of use and productivity. MYLENS AI simplifies complex information by translating it into visual formats you can navigate in seconds. This can reduce overwhelm and make study sessions more focused. ChatGPT offers interactive conversations and customizable prompts, so you can shape the output as you go, whether you're planning, outlining, or refining. It provides more flexibility across multiple industries and task types. Both platforms enhance productivity by offloading cognitive heavy lifting and structuring your workflow with AI assistance. So, which one is better? Choose MYLENS AI if you're a visual learner who benefits from knowledge mapping and structured summaries. Choose ChatGPT if you want versatility, creativity, and general AI assistance across writing, research, coding guidance, and business tasks. In practice, they can complement each other. Use MYLENS AI to map and organize your understanding, then bring those insights into ChatGPT to expand, explain, or produce final deliverables. The best choice ultimately comes down to your goals and how you prefer to learn and work.